Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Start heating a medium, non-stick frying pan or skillet on high. Add the patties and cook until both sides are golden brown, 4 to 5 minutes per side. Season the top of each patty with salt and freshly ground pepper as desired while the second side is browning. Serve with catsup.
Let's help you make your mark.
To cook frozen hash browns in a frying pan, just regular oil. You just need enough to coat. Cover the bottom of the frying pan. Put the frying pan on your hob and heat the oil until you can tell it's hot. You might hear it, or you might see small bubbles appearing.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, you can do this, but it will add some additional fat to your hash browns. Lay your hash browns down into the pan, and check the bottom for desired doneness. Anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes depending on the hash brown and the amount of heat you are using. Then flip the over and check for doneness again.
Let's help you make your mark.
Allow us to introduce you to the toaster. That's right, you can cook your store-bought frozen hash browns in the toaster. They'll be golden and crispy in minutes. And according to the Facebook group, toasting the hash browns means they cook through without releasing too much oil or breaking.
Take our lead.
Stovetop. Preheat 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in skillet to 375 deg-F. Carefully add frozen golden hash brown patties in a single layer into skillet. Fry 8 to 10 minutes, flipping after 4 minutes. Cook to a light golden color.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.